everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the power of oats, brown rice, quinoa, and barley. These four superfoods are packed with fiber, which not only supports digestion, but also contributes to heart health. So, let's dive right in. First up, we have oats. Oats are a great source of soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels and promotes heart health. They're also rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a nutritious addition to your diet. Next, we have brown rice. Brown rice is a whole grain that's high in fiber, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. It's also a good source of magnesium, a mineral that's important for heart health. Quinoa is another superfood that's rich in fiber. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids your body needs. Quinoa is also gluten-free and high in iron, making it a great choice for those with dietary restrictions. Last but not least, we have barley. Barley is a whole grain that's high in fiber and antioxidants. It's also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins,
Hey there,
health enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about the superfoods that are not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your health: yogurt and kefir. Let's dive in. Did you know that yogurt and kefir, especially those with live cultures, are amazing for your gut health? They're packed with probiotics, which are the good bacteria that help maintain a healthy balance of microorganisms in your digestive system. This, in turn, supports your immune system, aids in digestion, and even helps with mental health. Now, let's talk about low-fat milk and cheese. While it's true that they're not as popular as they used to be, they're still a great source of calcium and protein. Just remember to consume them in moderation, as they can be high in calories. So there you have it, folks. 2 superfoods that you should definitely incorporate into your diet. Remember,